So we are out here getting ready to launch the boat and just drove down this bumpy, ice-packed, snow-packed road, and it got me thinking about transom savers. And you know, this back part of your boat where your motor mounts, that is your transom, and that takes a lot of pressure, right? You've got a 500+ pound motor hanging off of the back of that is connected essentially by 6 bolts. And so what you want to do is you want to minimize that bouncing, and so that it's not creating a bunch of stress on that transom. And the best way to do that is with a really high quality transom saver. So, I mean, the cost of this is much cheaper than having to replace your transom. DD26 makes the best one that I have found. It's all aluminum built right here in the United States, super durable, still lightweight, but the construction with the cushion of this, it's a very dense kind of rubber plastic mix that absorbs some of that shock, but not too much, right? It's the best balance that I found. So you just slide this right on your trim pins and trim it down, and it's going to line up. The Yamaha one will fit both trim distances, so depending on which motor you have, you don't have to select a different one, and they make it for pretty much every major manufacturer. The other thing that is important to get are steering locks, and again, these are my favorite ones, attached so that you don't end up losing one, but these stay on the best out of any of them I found. They are perfectly measured and built to fit onto the C-Star system, which is what most of every hydraulic steering system is. But these are going to keep your motor from wanting to turn going down the road. So you're eliminating that side-to-side motion, and then your transom saver is going to eliminate that up and down bouncing. So 2 really important products to get more life out of your transom.